Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. You may have noticed in my previous video this lovely arch behind me. This is actually the arch that we were married under, and I'm going to share with you today just how we made it. Me being me, I knew I wanted to make my own arch, and I really wanted to incorporate my husband's heritage since we were having a very American style wedding. And as with most of my ideas, it started with a drawing. From there, I was able to describe to him what it was that I was trying to make. And we looked at some patterns and shapes that were common in traditional Moroccan architecture. And we found the ones that we wanted to use. So we found a vectored version, and my talented now husband was able to work some magic in Photoshop and really bring that drawing to life. Once we had a digital version created, we were able to take it over and have it cut on a laser. We did a couple of test pieces and decided to make the tiles out of luan, which is a kind of plywood that has a nice smooth texture. This was a very slow but mesmerizing and strangely satisfying process. First, the machine cut out each design, and then we had to pop out all of the pieces that had been cut free. A lot of them came out very easily, but there were some stubborn ones that we had to remove. Once we had all our tiles cut, I opted to spray paint them just because of the delicate design. I didn't want to risk having any paint drips or something like that, since this was going to be something that was front and center at our wedding. We were aiming to be able to have the arch most of the way constructed and just be able to transport it to the event location, so we framed it out in 3 main parts that in theory we would just need to join up on site. Using the smallest brad nails we could find, we tacked the tiles onto the frame. We didn't frame out the tiles that were just partials, so we left those off to be attached on site to try and avoid anything getting broken. You may notice that the digital design actually had a different design on the bottom half than what was on the top. We realized that the design that we had chosen for the bottom wasn't going to be structurally sound by the time it was all cut out with the laser, so we just decided to do the one pattern for the whole thing. So once we had all of the complete tiles attached, what we essentially had were 3 panels. It was a mad dash to get everything assembled the day before the wedding, so I didn't get that recorded, but here's what it looked like once it went up. I am so in love with how this thing turned out, hence why you see it behind me. I had so many people interested in buying it, but I'm hoping it's one of those things that's gonna be in our house for a really long time, reminding us of our special day. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And you can also check out my other wedding related videos over here. And until next time, bye.